delicious. So yesterday I jerked some chicken and had some leftovers. So today I'm making jerk chicken burrito. Another quick, simple and delicious recipe. I have a jerk chicken video by the way, so if you're interested, please give that one a watch. Before we continue, drop a like, watch some of my other videos and subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell. People keep on and miss my videos because they don't get notified. So first up, we're going to pickle some jalapenos. Homemade pickled jalapenos taste so damn good. So for the pickling solution, we need 3 small cloves of garlic. Give them a little smash. A teaspoon of dried oregano. Half cup water. Half cup distilled vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of salt. This pickling solution is good for other vegetables like cucumber as well. Very nice. This is going on medium heat. I'm going to let this come up to a simmer while I grab my fresh jalapenos. I'm going to be using 2 jalapenos. I really like the pepper flavor and the mild level of spice. Slice them up, not too thin though. This thickness is fine. These will be crunchy even after pickling. I'm adding 2 small chilies to up the heat a bit. Everything is dissolved and simmering, so the solution is ready. Just go ahead and throw it onto the peppers. Cover and let this cool. So when these are finished, the color will dull a bit, but the flavor is just mwah. Next, let's caramelize some onions. These are going to add a nice subtle sweetness and a rich onion flavor to my burrito. Alright, so I'm using a heavy cast iron pan. This transfers and holds heat really well. Perfect for caramelizing onions. I'm slicing 2 medium-sized onions. Make sure you remove the root end properly so slices don't stick together. Add a drizzle of oil, a generous pinch of salt. This is optional, but a little sugar helps to kick-start the caramelizing process. I like to start on high heat and reduce to low when I start to see a little browning. You could add a little water to soften them, but I really like the firmer texture. Cook slowly and stir constantly. This might take up to half an hour. These took 10 minutes, but they still could go a lot longer to make them softer, but I like this doneness for my burritos. Next up is the jerk chicken. I had some leftover thighs from last night, so I'm using those. You can use any protein you have though. Check out my jerk chicken video by the way. I'm just going to remove the bones. An easy way to do this is with 2 forks. I want the skin in this as well. It's really flavorful. You can really scrape the meat off the bones with this method. Next, go ahead and place the chicken in a bowl. I'm going to be adding some jerk sauce for additional mouthfeel and flavor. That recipe is in the jerk chicken video as well. Seriously, that's the best jerk chicken / jerk sauce you'll find. Give that a nice mix to combine and coat everything. Damn, that look good. Alright, so we need a pear for this, aka avocado. Slice in half and remove the seed. We need some slices that will fit neatly in the burrito. You could even chop it up. It's going to be wrapped up, so don't be fussy. Alright, assembly time. I need my flour tortilla and I have some rice and peas. Also from last night's dinner. Burritos usually have some rice and cooked beans, so this is really killing two birds with one stone. First, first let's add our chicken. You could warm up the wrap so it's easier to fold. Add the rice and peas. My delicious caramelized onions. And now for the cheese. I'm using this low moisture mozzarella. I place this in the freezer for 10 minutes to keep it firm for easier grating. I also have some Colby Jack slices I want to use up. My grater won't work for these, so I'm just going to separate, stack and slice them in thin strips. Any cheese you like is okay though. Cheddar would be really nice. Alright, so go ahead and add your cheeses. Next, add a few slices of avocado. To fold, pull both ends of the tortilla together, then fold over the bottom end and roll. Try to keep everything tight and snug for that perfect burrito. So you could eat this as is right now, but I want mine warm, so I'm going to toast them. I'm using a heavy cast iron pan on medium heat. Just going to grease that with a bit of butter. Let it get hot, then reduce the heat to low and place burritos in, seam side down. Turn when they start to brown, but don't follow me. Use a real utensil for this because they are really hot. Alright, so they are golden brown and warm right through, so remove them. Nice. This is top notch. I forgot to add the jalapenos, but this still tastes damn good. This works so well. Just turn my Sunday dinner into a burrito. Jalapenos still can go on the side though, so no worries. Alright, so there you have it. See it there? Jerk chicken burrito. Hearty, spicy flavor packed cheesy niceness. This has scratched so much itch right now.